and welcome back to Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen. In this short video, we're going to be showing you how to make sofrito at home. Sofrito is a foundation of Puerto Rican food flavoring. It's used in many of our recipes, such as beans, meat stews, and soups. Fortunately, it's very easy to make. You take onions, garlic, cilantro, and peppers, blend them all together, and you're ready to go. So let's get cooking! After washing your veggies thoroughly, cut them into pieces that will fit comfortably in the blender. Take your peeled onions and cut them into 4 pieces. If you're sensitive to onions, chewing gum while cutting them helps me a lot. Try it. We've already peeled our garlic, so those will just go right into the blender. For the peppers, you'll need to remove the cores before blending them. First, cut off the top of your pepper. Next, pull out the pepper's core, removing all of the seeds and veins. There's really no flavor in those parts of the pepper, so just better to discard them. You might find it easier to do this step with a small paring knife. Finally, cut the pepper into pieces that will fit in your blender. We are using cubanelle peppers here, which I find to have the most similar flavor to the local green peppers in Puerto Rico. But if you can't find cubanelle peppers in your local store, don't panic. Green bell peppers work fine too. My only word of caution when selecting your peppers at the store is not to accidentally purchase hot peppers, which can sometimes look like cubanelles. That will definitely put an unexpected spin on your Puerto Rican dishes. Once you're done cleaning your peppers, take your cilantro and cut off the bottom, thicker stems and discard it, just leaving the leafy portion. Go ahead and load your onions, garlic, peppers, and cilantro into the blender. Now, I'm sure that all experienced Puerto Rican cooks watching this are thinking, wait, but what about the ajíes dulces and recao? For those of you not familiar with these, ajíes dulces are a small, sweet variety of peppers found in Puerto Rico, and recao is a local herb, which might be described as the stronger, more potent version of cilantro. Both ajíes dulces and recao are usually included in sofrito. Unfortunately, I can't find them in my local grocery store in New York City, and I imagine a lot of you won't be able to either. But don't worry, making sofrito without them is perfectly fine. I've been doing it for years, and I'm not sure how many Puerto Ricans will even be able to tell the difference. Blend all of your ingredients on high for 15 to 20 seconds. Add a little water to help the blending process, and keep blending on high until everything is finely minced. This brings back a lot of childhood memories for me. I would wake up on Sunday mornings at my grandma's house with the sound of the blender and the smell of sofrito. This was one of her weekly routines. Once your sofrito is done, go ahead and add it to a clean, sealable container for storage. If you make a lot of sofrito, say more than you will use in a couple of weeks, you can also freeze it so it lasts longer. As a real pro tip, I know people who freeze it in ice cube containers, so you can easily defrost smaller portions. So there you go! Now you know how to make sofrito, a key building block for Puerto Rican food.